Itinampok po ang kulturang Pilipino sa isang event sa Toronto ngayong weekend kung saan ipinakikilala ang Pinoy culture sa mga Canadians. Silipin natin sa report ni Kisha Balatbat.
What's important for us is we want them to know like our history, who we are, where we came from, what we can do.
Sa Mel Lastman Square sa Toronto ngayong Sabado at Linggo, isinagawa ang Tayo Immersive Filipino Cultural Experience. Ito ang kauna-unahang taon ng event na ito na layong ipakita ang kulturang Pilipino sa ibang lahi.
Tayo, which means us or we in Filipino, is really a celebration of our heritage. It's about us, especially with the 75th anniversary of Philippine-Canadian friendship. It's Filipino Heritage Month. This is an opportunity for us to share who we are, our heritage, our culture, to the rest of the Canadian community. So it's about us, but it's for everyone.
Bukod sa mga karaniwang nakikita sa mga festivals na kagaya nito, may mga kakaibang aspeto na ibinahagi. Kabilang ang Karaoke Olympics, Ube High Tea at mga Filipino games.
What's interesting, especially yesterday, there were a lot of non-Filipinos who wanted to learn sungka as a game and jackstones. They were lining up, waiting for their turn to learn the game. So I think that's really something to be proud of because they want to learn who we are, even just through fun ways.
Isang outdoor kamayan experience din ang isinagawa kung saan natikman ang iba't ibang luto ng baboy.
So we have crispy pata, we have lechon, we have barbecue skewers, at saka we have mango salad, right? At saka talagang yung ginawa namin talaga, kakaibang pagkain po talaga. So sineparate namin ang meat sa seafood para maintay sila kung ano talagang gusto nila.
Nagpamalas rin ng talento ang ilang kabataan na masayang ibahagi ang kanilang kultura sa publiko.
We were doing a cultural dance, a Filipino cultural dance. We did 3 songs, Filipino songs, Ang Pipit, Saranggola, and Kata Pilipinas.
It's really fun to talk about my culture and do performances and dances to see what Filipino culture is really about.
Oportunidad rin ito para sa mga Pilipino na suportahan ang kanilang mga kababayang negosyante sa syudad.
We have okoy, we have chicken siopaw. For dessert, we have, what's again? Turon, it's banana. You'll never forget where you came from, no matter where you go, no matter how old you become, it's in you, it's in your blood, right?
Filipino Pride is Filipino Heritage Month, and we just like seeing our culture here. It makes us feel at home.
Medyo kalat yung Filipino community. Tapos, it's nice to see them, everyone gather, and that we can, get to know each other and have community, and, just having this sense of camaraderie between all Filipinos.
Ikinatuwa ng mga organizers ang mainit na pagtanggap sa kanilang unang event. Balak nilang isagawa ulit ito at palawakin pa ang mga magagawa sa mga susunod na taon. Kisha Balatbat, Omni News, Toronto.